example, you know, I wanted to talk a little bit about soil structure again here too, some more. And again, when we really start looking at that soil structure, we're really talking about that granular structure, that grape nuts type of structure. From my standpoint, that's you know, I talk about it being like granola or black cottage cheese, etc. So anyway, that's what we really want as far as soil structure. And then when you look at that conventionally tilled, again, see how fine it is on the surface and how much soil actually moved off. You can see how flat that surface actually is. And if we look at that underneath, we ended up with moving very little soil or very little water through. It's really very dry. And that's really what happened. That's what we saw. A lot of runoff, very little infiltrated water. We've got a lot being absorbed over here and very little moving through. And you know, the interesting thing for me is that when you really start talking about this to producers, is that they were always taught, whatever, that you know, you go out and you do tillage, and what does that do? It increases water movement into the soil. We know that's true, but it doesn't. It doesn't.
Would you say 6 inches per foot of available water holding capacity?
No, that's 2 inches per foot in a loam soil. So,
2 inches.
Yep. Water holding capacity is about 2 inches per foot.
We put 2 inches on in a 2-inch pan and it didn't even get through. I mean, you know, maybe halfway through.